All right. We are going to unbox some gear. All right, y'all. So it is a lazy weekend. I got to say, I have been feeling pretty uninspired lately. Life is just a mess, lots of things to do. But you know what? The way to get inspired is to just create the things that inspire you. So for me, I'm just going to do a quick, easy, hopefully pretty low-key video unboxing some of the gear that's been arriving that I will eventually do reviews on. So let's jump right into it. I've got a ton of new packages, and one of the ones some of you may be familiar with, this little skeleton here, is something from Nomatic. So let's go ahead and check this out. And like I said, it's been kind of rainy, windy, cold, all that good stuff, right? It's just not the best here in California. This is cool. I mean, I gotta say, I finally bit the bullet and purchased something from Peter McKinnon. I've got a couple of the Peter McKinnon Nomatic VNDs, but this is the first bag I've bought. You know, I've been seeing this show up a ton on YouTube. I know creators love it. A lot of them use the backpack, but I really don't need anything that big. But check it out, another new camera sling. I think smells nice. Let's zip it up. This is supposed to be the biggest reason why it's so great, is the way it opens. I mean, honestly, I dig this. This looks really good. I can see why this is so popular. And honestly, if this is any indication of what the backpack might be like, who knows? Maybe I will spring for the $400 backpack with cubes and all. But this is cool. I like this little elastic tab that lets it open. Got some spaces here. I read and saw some videos that this is great for the filters. I mean, build quality is solid, man. This thing looks real good. I mean, initial impressions without having tested it, build quality is really nice. It looks great. This is kind of bulky, but it holds, or it should hold, a good amount of gear. This might be a great, like, all-around adventure travel sling to replace the Peak Design 3-liter sling that I use for basically any type of rugged, everyday, all things camera sling bag. So we'll check this out and I'll make a video about it. All right, so next, this is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna have to move the mic. I don't know, you obviously can't tell what this is by the box, but this is from a company called Level 8. They sent this over for me to review. It looks pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and obviously, if some of you have guessed, this is a new suitcase. So what I've got here, this is called the Voyager suitcase from Level 8. Really nice dust bag as well. I mean, it's kind of nice. Most suitcases should come standard with a dust bag. A lot of them don't, depending on the brands that you buy. But overall, this thing looks pretty good. This is different than some of the suitcases I've reviewed on my channel in the past. This thing is polycarbonate, and it's immediately noticeable because of how light it is. One of the reasons why I had them send me this one is because this color is so cool. This is a great looking color. One of the things that's special about this suitcase is this. Check that out. Hopefully you get a good gauge. The trolley arms are along the side of the suitcase versus your classic trolley arm, which runs through the center. The reason why I set up like that might potentially be better for those who tend to pack a lot is you no longer lose the space in the center. If you're used to packing a standard carry-on, you open it, usually those trolley arms take up some space in the middle, so it's hard for you to put things that lay flat. Now, with trolley arms that sit along the sides, the corners of your suitcase, you've got that whole area in the center unobstructed. Could be really cool to test. Can't wait to see how this thing performs. I assume it'll pack pretty well, but I'll film a video on that as well. Okay, you know what? Let's keep going with the theme of yellow. So for some of you that don't know, I am spinning up a new video series at the end of the month, maybe, hopefully, maybe next month. But again, it's still aligned to tech and travel, but a whole new category of videos. And I've been ordering and getting accessories in, working with brands that have been sending over some really cool stuff for me to test out when this product eventually arrives. So I'm not gonna ruin that. I'll just give you guys a peek at what I've got, and maybe you can start to guess what this new series will be. It's still tech and travel, obviously, but sticking on the theme of yellow. Ooh, check these out. These, without showing you the entire thing, these are brake caliper covers. So again, an accessory to really help customize the new product that's coming in. I'm going to do an entire series around it. I've got a ton of products just waiting to be fitted on this new car. It's not a secret. I mean, but we'll spin up the series a little bit later once everything arrives. Okay, so we got something else from Level 8, and let's go ahead and open this. I had them send me a few of their variants. Again, I've tested a lot of pure aluminum suitcases on my channel, some really high-end ones to some mid-range ones, all great and very usable. So I had Level 8 send me some of these polycarbonate suitcases, which you'll obviously notice is polycarbonate's lighter. It's also cheaper, which is a good thing for a lot of consumers. Like I said, I make a lot of videos on this channel in a range of different price categories, so I just want to make sure that I'm reviewing products that kind of tickle everyone's fancy, that are accessible to all types of buyers. And a high quality polycarbonate suitcase is important to a lot of travelers, right? They are pretty durable, they're lightweight, and also if they're not very expensive, they're easy to replace. But not to say that you need to replace something like this. So this is the Level 8 Pro. The reason why this is called the Pro, I don't know, maybe you're a professional, is boom, that pops right open. It's easy access to your laptop and any other gear that you want to have accessible. So I actually really like this. I saw this on their website and I thought this is something that I have not used or tested or reviewed in the past. And as someone who travels a ton for work, I get to the lounge, I need to get my laptop out. Having it in there is pretty convenient versus pulling it out of a bag. Maybe I don't even want to travel with the bag. Maybe I just want to travel with carry-on. Anyways, the quick access to that laptop space is pretty cool. Okay, next, we got a few other things to unbox. And honestly, I've already opened these because I love these kinds of things, but I've got a couple packages here from Cuts Clothing. For any of you that have watched my channel before, you know I am a Cuts Clothing ambassador. I wear their stuff all the time because it's comfortable, it looks good, and it's pretty effortless to just toss on. Anyways, let's take a look. This is from their spring collection and their spring drop. Like I said, man, in California, the rain and the wind has been absurd. It has not felt like spring, and I desperately miss warm weather, and I welcome anything spring related. So here we've got this great looking pullover crew. This is in the infinity blue. So like I said, if you see my channel before, you know I love their stuff, but these like Hyperloop sweatshirts, this crew neck sweatshirt is so nice and comfortable. I don't have anything in the infinity blue. I mean, it's surprising. I own so many variations of their hoodies, their sweatshirts, their t-shirts, but the infinity blue is dope. And I'm really digging this. I can't wait to rock this. The other thing that I haven't done, even though I own so many articles of Cuts Clothing, I've never had a matching set. So here we go, man. This is the Hyperloop sweatpants in the infinity blue. So I'm really excited to wear this whole set. I mean, y'all are gonna think I look silly, or you're gonna think I look so dope and so fresh, because these colors, this fit, this material is super nice. I'm gonna enjoy this so much. But right now, you head over to cutsclothing.com. You can use one of my codes for 15% off. Their spring line looks so good, and these colors, man, I really like them. So anyways, head over to cutsclothing.com, check out their second spring drop. I think they still got a ton of stuff from their first spring drop, different colors. They got some AO joggers, new t-shirts that I would definitely recommend checking out. But 15% off, if you want to matchy with me, man, grab a set of the infinity blue. Let me know where you want to hang out. I'll meet you up. Okay, so again, probably another hint. but I am spinning up that new video series. This product right here, I only brought up one of the 4, but it'll give you a hint of what's coming down the line. That new video series I'm spinning up with some of these really cool brands in the space, all about tech and travel. But one of the things that I'm really excited about, and let me get this out. Check these out, these satin black wheel covers for the car. I mean, obviously it is going to be a new car series, but it's all about the experience of owning the vehicle, the accessories, all the tech that comes with a car like this, and all the things that you can buy to make it your own. I mean, you know how much I like to buy accessories, bags, gear. I mean, this series I'm really excited to film, and if you've seen my other video about the DJI RS3 Mini, that gimbal is gonna be so good when filming this beautiful, smooth, buttery B-roll of this new car and the whole new travel and tech series I'm gonna be spinning up around that on this channel. Okay, and the last one, same thing. Look at this gigantic box. It's too long to show you, but I'm just gonna pull this out, and honestly, I'm also not gonna go into the effort of like unwrapping this. This is a carbon fiber spoiler, real carbon fiber, had it done in the matte finish versus glossy. And again, yeah, it'll go on the new car that arrives. I really can't wait to show you guys that whole series. I'll be documenting everything from delivery to customization to all the different accessories to how-tos. And again, ties kind of right into what I love to do, right? Tech, travel, and I'll be using my camera gear to film all of it for you. All right, and that is it for this video. I've obviously got more boxes to unbox, but I figured I would just get through all this in the so many odd minutes I've been sitting here, and my office is a mess. It's just boxes everywhere. But anyways, really appreciate you guys watching. The channel is growing. Also know that when we hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. We did a giveaway with Nomad Goods at 4,000 subscribers. We gave away 4 accessories. We gave away their limited edition High Volta sport bands and their iPhone 14 cases. So when we hit 5,000 subs on this channel, I will be giving something else away. Maybe it's a sling bag, maybe something from Alpaca. You let me know in the comments what you guys think we should be giving away at 5,000 subs. All right, if you enjoy this content, hit that like button, subscribe for more content just like this. I will catch y'all in the next one.